お進みのためです。この列車は8両編成でホームの片方に止まります。この列車の6号車前寄りと5号車、4号車の後ろ寄りには乗車口はありません。
Welcome to Shinkansen. The Super Express Kodama 864, departing at 2013, bound for Okayama, is arriving at track 2. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 8 cars. Car 8 is at the front of the train, and Car 1 is at the rear. Cars 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8 are for passengers without seat reservations. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train has no entrances at the front of Car 6, nor at the rear of Cars 5 and 4. Thank you.